Hi everyone, my name is Kelvin Uchuken, and I'm in this video 92 following up from the solution 1. I have another solution to do this converting of timesheet. Now, this situation is very important for you because we are making an assumption now that you are not using Microsoft 365, where you do not have those latest functions such as filter, unique, and whatnot. So here, we are just going to use simple items such as offset, concat, and meet, which is available in many other older version. So let's take a look. Now, what we have done in the previous video, we are already using all this text split, text join, and we use some offset. Now, we're still going to use the offset. So since we are using the offset, I'm going to just copy the offset function here. Okay, we'll copy this text one here. I'm going to make a copy. And I come down here, just put an equal. That's it. See, oops. What happened? Yeah, a lot of things in here. No, yes, there's something over the other end. So now you see that I already have the data. Now all I need to do is just use some other function that not available in Office 365. So I'm going to use something here that says concat. So I'm going to combine these three together. So I'm going to go to the formula. Let's put that concat whatever text that is available. CON. Concat, open bracket, then I will close bracket at the end. When I press enter, you see all the item that we have just now is combined into this. Okay, so now I need to take out 8 character, and so happen that all the data that we're having here are all 8 characters, right? So 2 plus 2 semicolon, 2 colon is altogether 8 character. Now, they will be divided into 2 formula. So the first formula that I'm going to add on here is called the meet function, meet function. And this is the text, comma. I'm going to put there starting from 1 and take out 8 character. There we go. There we go. I have this. Okay. However, when I copy this to next door, the next cell, so if I were to copy it, they are not supposed to be the same because they are still looking for the first item. So now I'm going to look into this. I'm going to use this function here. I'm going to remove that 1. I'm going to use columns, right? Columns, starting from here all the way to that. So now I'm going to lock the first Q21. So I'm going to lock it. And I'm going to multiply it with 8. Multiply it with 8. And minus 1. So let's see if I can get an answer. There you go. So what did I do? Multiply with 8. Let's say if I do minus 1. No, not minus, plus 1. Plus 1. Yeah, now that's better. So I just have to copy this over. You notice that I'm getting it. So now I just have to select all of this together and pull it down. I'm going to get the same answer as well. So yeah, this is another method that we can use. So let me put up the formula here. This is the first cell formula. And I'm going to turn all this into black color. Okay, without bold. Just into blue color, right? And this one equals to formula text of this cell. I'm going to make it red color. There you go, red color. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm actually getting the same answer but a different formula. Now this is ready for those who are not using 365. So I hope you like the solution, the second solution that I have created here. And please like and share this to as many people as you like. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, this is actually video 91. Right. So thank you. I will see you in my next video, video 92. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.